Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Today, I'm making Japanese curry. Had some box of golden curry mix, Japanese curry mix that I haven't tried to use yet, so I thought it'd be a good idea. You know, this is basically leftovers. See if I can make a curry dish out of it. So we're gonna start here. We're gonna have our meat. I'm using this like a flank steak, which is generally tough. I'm gonna have some carrots, some onions, and potatoes.
It sound right, boys.
First off, I'm gonna start off by cutting my meat into like squares. Just like this very thin, cheap piece of meat. You can buy it, you know, fairly inexpensive. You want to heat up your large skillet to medium heat. Gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add your meat. You can go here and open up your box of golden curry. You see it comes into a container like this, size like this. So what you want to do is, instructor says to break them in squares. Everything is on simmer.
It sound right, boy.